Good morning, student. Welcome back to the new revision grammar video. Already you have seen in the revision videos. Now this is the video of determiner. What is a determiner? A determiner is a word that introduces a noun. It always comes before a noun. That is, the condition is that it comes before a noun, not after, and it also comes before any other adjectives used to describe a noun. That is, two conditions are there: before a noun, not after. Second condition is that before any adjective to describe the noun. Determiners are required before a singular noun but are optional when it comes to introducing plural nouns. For example, consider the placement and usage of, that is, the examples are being given. The bunny went home. The is an article. Bunny is an noun. I ate the chocolates, cookies for the dessert. Metal cans are recyclable. The metal cans are recyclable. In every example, the determiner is placed before the noun or noun phrase, regardless of whether the noun in the subject or the predicate. In the first example, it comes directly before the noun, but in the second example, it comes before the adjective. That is, the chocolate cookies is the adjective describing about the cookies. The bunny, that is the determiner. Now there are different kinds of determiners are there. First one is the article a and the. Then numerals 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. They are the numerals. Then possessive means which belongs to you. My, you, your, his, her, its, your, our, their, whose. They are possessive means belongings. Then comes the ordinals, that is the number. First, second, third, next, fourth, seventh, like this. Then demonstrative, which demonstrate or point out this, that, these, those. Then come the quantifier, means the amount, number, many, few, some, every, much, a lot of, any, less. Then the articles. First one is the article. We already know about there are three articles are there: a, and the. A is used with the indefinite, a and an used with the indefinite, the is the definite article, and is adjective before a noun, and it is placed before an adjective. A carpenter, the ball, the skilled carpenter, the heavy ball, means adjective. What kind of ball is there? Heavy. Skilled means that is the adjective, means it is a skilled carpenter. Now a is used before a word beginning with the consonant sound, and is used before the vowel. A cow, a man, a girl, a Canadian, a dreamy boy, etc. An MLA, an egg, an hour, an apple, an honest person. Then, when we refer to the holy books, newspaper, geographical places, seas, oceans, well-known buildings by holy books is there, ranges are there, rivers are there, whole families are there. That time we are using what we use, the Gita, the Arabian Sea, the United Kingdom, the Aravallis, the Times of India, Red Fort, Brahmaputra, etc. We use when there is only one, something which is unique also. That time also we use what we use, the sun, the earth, the equator, the north pole, which is not two but only one is there. That time also we use the. with adjectives when those adjacent that is adjacent areas are there. The rich always exploit the poor. The is used with the superlative degree. Nina is the shortest girl in the her class. When we talk about the particular person or a thing, that time also we use the. Did you meet the girl? Have you seen the movie? We use the with something or already which has been referred. The man who is standing at the door is my uncle. This is the ring you gave me. With the common noun also with that represent the whole class. The donkey is a beast of burden. About the whole class has been describing, that time also we are using what we are using the. Then comes the next determiner is demonstratives. These or these refer to persons or objects close by. This is used before a singular noun and these is used with the plural. That is the difference is there. Singular this, this these, this is used with the plural. This dress has been stitched by my mother. These gifts, gift is plural. That is why these we are using are for you. That and those refer to the persons or the things or at a distance. That is used before a singular noun. Those is used before a plural noun. That building was constructed long time back. Those birds are flying quite high. This and that can be used before the uncountable nouns. This crop has got spoiled. That food was was for beggars. These are the some examples of demonstrative determiner. Next comes the next example. Also there is a condition. They can be also used for before the countable noun and uncountable noun. His office, your office, their ministers, like this. Then come the next determiner is distributive. Each and every. When we use each and every, each is used in speaking of two or more person or thing. That is two or more person or thing is there, what we are using each. Each signifies the individuals or limited group. The that is a limited group is there, that time we are using. Each child was dressed beautifully. Each individual from group shall be given the ration. Then every is used more than two or more person or thing is there, or large number is there, that time for indefinite number is there, that time we are using what we use every child should obey rules. Every Indian should be proud of his or her country. Then comes the next determiner. This tells us about the number or quantity. Some quantifier can be used only when countables, some with only uncountable. There are some which go with both. Many is used before the countable and suggests large number. Countable noun and suggests large number. I carry many books and notebooks to school. Then the several, many is used with the countable. Then several suggests the number before the countables. There are several instruments in the shop. There are means many number is there. There is several, many are there. Much denotes the large quantity and used before the uncountable noun. Water, which we cannot count. Much water was flown since then. Then some suggests quantity, number or degree. It is used with the affirmative or interrogative sentence. When a positive response is desired or expected, that time we are using some. There were some confidential papers kept on the table. Can you please pass me some sugar? Then any. Any also suggests quantity, degree, and number. It is used with the negative. Now some is used with the affirmative, positive sense is there, and where that is a negative response is there, that time we are using what we use, any. Have you done any work so far? That is, that time we are using what we use, any. Till here I think it is clear. Now next comes the either. It has two meanings, any of the two different things or person. You can take either road, means any one road you can take. Beautiful landscape is there on either side of the museum. On both the side of the museum there is an landscape is there. Then the neither. It is the opposite of either. It means not one or not the other. She is on neither side. I like neither of the designs. Next comes the quantifier. Quantifier means that is same thing we have read also just now. Quantify means number or quantity. Same thing, quantifier. Just now examples also has been given. Some quantifier can be used only if with countable, some with the uncountable. There are that is just now we read. Next also there are some other determiners are there, a little, a few, the few like this. Using a little. A little is used with the positive quantity and non-countable nouns. It means a small amount or some is there, that time some is there, that time we are positive is there, that time what we use, a little. There is little milk in the refrigerator. Would you like a little water? When we use a little, when there is some is there and little is there, not much is there, almost almost finished, that things that time we are using. Express the diminutive size or negative quantity. Almost nothing or not much. Example, I am sorry, I speak little French. There was little time to finish my homework. Then next comes the a few. A few represents a positive quantity. It is used with the plurals. What is positive is there. Then second condition is plural. Nouns are there. It means some or small amount. A few plus the plural countable nouns. Few plus plural countable nouns. He has a few good friends, so he is happy. There are few books on the shelf. Then comes the few. Few represent negative quantity or shortage. It is used with the plural countable nouns. It means not many or not enough. Few plus plural countable nouns. Example, I have got few friends in the city, so I am lonely. They have got few cakes on the table. Next determiner is possessive. Possessive means they are called possessive because they possess the noun. That is the his mother, her book, my bag, their house, our work, your chair. Possessive can be used before both singular and plural nouns. My chairs, his wallet, your wallet, my chairs, her bags, her bed. That is possess means which belongs. Next is the interrogative determiner. Interrogative means asking a question. What, which, whose, how much, how many are the interrogative determiners. This can be for any kind of noun. Which train goes to Patna? How many bottles of cold drinks served at the party? Whose books are this? These are the interrogative. When we are asking a question, that time we are using interrogative adjective determiners. Now there is uh, some fill in the blanks are given. You have to do this in your homework copy. Okay, this is the practice of for your practice for the exam. Revise the portions which is given, and there is one more exercise also is given. There are two exercises are given. Try to do these exercises. Thank you, student. Have a good day.